Hi, I'm Dr. Viktoriia Sevostianova from IMDEA Materials Institute, and this is our third video of CARDIOBOOST Science Explained. In our previous video, we introduced the concept of liquid crystal display or LCD 3D printing, and how we can take advantages of this technique to manufacture microscopic surface patterns. And this video will explain how this 3D printing technique actually works. Sound interesting? Stay tuned. To simplify things, we can summarize the LCD 3D printing techniques in 5 steps. First, liquid photopolymer resin is poured in the resin vat. The resin spreads evenly across the transparent bottom film. Next, the built platform lowers very close to the bottom of the vat, leaving only a thin layer of resin between the platform and the transparent film. The LCD screen then displays the image of a single layer of the 3D model. The screen acts like a mask. Some regions allow UV light to pass through, while others block it. Where UV light reaches the resin, the material solidifies. When the layer is cured, the built platform lifts upward, separating the newly formed layer from a bottom film. The platform lowers again, and the process repeats layer by layer until the complete object is fabricated. Because each entire layer is cured simultaneously, LCD printing can produce many samples quickly and efficiently. So, why is this technique in particular so exciting for biological applications? Well, it provides high resolution, smooth surface finishes, and rapid fabrication. In our fourth and final video, we will explore how IMDEA Materials Institute is utilizing this technique to develop new strategies for regenerating cardiac muscle after myocardial infarction, more commonly known as a heart attack. This research is a part of the CARDIOBOOST project led by the Spanish National Center of Cardiovascular Research and funded by the Community of Madrid. I'm Dr. Viktoriia Sevostianova, and this has been CARDIOBOOST Science Explained. I'll see you in the next video.